YouTube, Keith Buds here. Hey, we're out in the woods today. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, yeah. Duh. Hello, Keith. Captain Friggin' Obvious. Uh, Today we're going to be scouting out a location for a little camping area. I want to build a lean-to, a couple little shelters, stuff like that. I don't want to say bushcraft, because to me, what I'm doing really isn't bushcraft. I'm actually going to be building this completely off of what I see on YouTube. So the idea is, see this dilapidated structure here. I'm going to build it close to here, and then once it's built, I'm going to knock that down. That way, the animals will be used to seeing some, you know, bigger building. So we're going to do a quick gear rundown. Now, it's going to be out for a couple hours today. Head to toe, got my lacrosse boots. Got these back in 2001. Two complaints about them: they never keep your feet warm, and the heels grab on the snow, and after walking for 20 feet, you're wearing 3-inch heels. That's no fun. Other than that, I got bad ankles, so it's good stability. No camo pants, got my clip-ons, South Pole hoodie, mossy oak underneath, long sleeve t-shirt under that. Got my high-vis Mechanics Works gloves. That beautiful, beautiful survival rifle. Got my backpack here. In the outside pockets, I already took them out. This is crackers and little chicken salad. That's a nice little snack. I like having those on hand. We have my Blocks speaker here. It's when I'm bushcrafting, as they say. As I'm just screwing around in the woods, as I like to say. I like having a little music going. I'll play Pandora and whatnot. I'll start with the front pouch. Waterproof case for the phone. You've seen that. Iced tea container that says pancake mix. Yeah, that's what I use those for. Is nails. Got the battery. Little folding saw that I got out of my dad's, was my dad's 4-wheeler. Now it's mine. Spare cords. Always got to have those. In the drink container here, we just got a thing of Arizona green tea. I'm about to show that. A pack of smokes. Yep, menthol. Little pecan pie from Walmart. 50 cents. Who doesn't love a little bit of pie every now and then? Bag isn't quite big enough to hold my axe and my machete, so I stick my machete out of the hydration pouch slot. My axe around the top. Then I just loop a piece of rope through there. Got my Gerber large axe too, you all have seen. And this thing, this little itty bitty thing is insane. It cuts better than my hatchet. Or better than my axe rather. I actually felled a few trees in this area that were dead or dying. So, one of them monster subs from Walmart. Got half one right there. Got a little knife. Always got to have a couple knives on you. More the merrier. Got my knife in my wallet. The machete. Yeah, I know I need a new case for it. I'm hoping to get the guy who fixed my backpack on it. A few zip ties. And about 30 feet of clothesline. Now, all that together weighs crazy. It's like 25 pounds, but it's mostly the weight of the axe, the hatchet, the heavy stuff. But, yeah, so we're going to screw around in the woods today for a few hours. Find a nice level area, clear some debris off. And, yeah, I'm going to build it completely off of what I've seen on YouTube. No other references besides maybe my survival handbook. Haven't used that in a while. Got to dig that out of the closet. So, just out in the woods, messing around. Love it. See you guys later.